Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Young. This is a video regarding to topics of gradients and area under graph, which is a topics for Form 5 Mathematics, Chapter 6, dalam BM, luas dan keturunan di bawah graf. Dalam video ini kita akan banyak membincangkan contoh-contoh soalan dan penyelesaian untuk soalan tersebut. So here come with our first questions. We take a look with these questions. So this is a question regarding to the graph of speed over time. So jenis graf yang berkenaan untuk soalan ini adalah graf laju masa. Okay, graph speed of time. So diagram show the graph speed time graph of particles in a period of 11 seconds. So this is a movement for particles of a total of 11 seconds, 11 saat. Ini menunjukkan garis pergerakan laju, perubahan laju sesuatu jarak dalam 11 saat. So this is something regarding to the questions. So for A, calculate the rate change of speed in the first 3 seconds. Okay, try to have a look. So understand the needs of the question first, kehendak soalan. So the question is regarding us to find the rate of change of speed for the first 3 seconds. So I have highlight over here. Okay, so this is a graph. So because they are looking only for the first 3 seconds, so it's from 0 to 3. So paksi masa, kita rujuk kepada masa sebab dia mau 3 saat yang pertama. 3 saat yang pertama dari 0 sampai 3. So saya padam garisan yang lain. Because the rest of the graph are not related to our questions A. Tidak berkaitan untuk soalan A. So we are focusing on this line only. Garis ini sahaja. So we are focusing on this line. So rate change of speed in the first 3 seconds. So we have to use the formula. Okay, remember the formula. Kadar perubahan laju ialah final speed minus initial speed divided by the time taken, yaitu masa akhir tolak masa awal. Okay, from here, so how do you obtain 10 minus 5? Okay, we have a look. Let me sketch for you. Okay, so the time is from 0 to 3, first 3 seconds. So the graph is this one. So until here only. Okay, from the beginning. So dari mula, so laju awal ialah 5 sampai 10. Okay, so ini perubahan laju. That's why rate change of speed, kadar perubahan laju ialah dari masa akhir tolak masa awal. Okay, bahagi masa akhir tolak masa awal. Okay, so just take from the diagram. Ambil dari graf di atas. Take from the diagram. Then we do the calculations. So this is for the answer of A. Okay, now for B. Okay, B is looking for the uniform speed. Uniform speed maksudnya laju seragam. Okay, so which of the parts of the graph is related here? So kita akan tengok di mana kawasan yang terlibat. Okay, so uniform speed you're looking for a line, horizontal line, which is parallel to the x-axis. So in this diagram I have brought off garis lain tidak berkaitan, saya sudah padam. So tinggal ini, bahagian ini sahaja yang dirujuk untuk soalan B. Okay, for question B we are looking for uniform speed. Okay, here we are looking for the speed. So speed, and from the graph this is speed. Okay, uniform is here. So maksudnya, so this is the one we're looking for. Okay, so meaning the answer is uniform speed of the particle is 16. Okay, kenapa bukan ambil yang massa? Sebab dia seorang tanya pasal speed. So speed, look for the speed. Okay, now for C. So before we continue, we'll read the question first. So the question 1, to calculate the value of t is given that the total distance traveled during the period of t second is 100.5. So maksudnya dia mau cari nilai t diberi jumlah jarak yang dilalui dalam tempoh t saat ialah 100.5 meter. So kita kena ingat apa maksud total distance travel equal to what? Total distance travel always equal to the area under graph. So now it's from 0 to t. Okay, so look at the graph. So 0 to t, from 0 to t. Okay, so the area of the graph, that meaning here is over this. Okay, sebelah sini dan tidak termasuk yang akhirnya. So we don't include the final part because they say until t only, not until 11. Bukan sampai 11. So I have given it a guideline to you. I have a sketch for yellow color and green color. This is a total area of under the graph from 0 to t. From 0 to t. So we have a two area, which is area of trapezium A and area of trapezium B. Okay, A and B. So dia cakap jumlah jarak. So the total area is given. Look at the question again. Okay. So look at the question again. They said total distance travel is 100.5. So total distance equal to the area under graph. Kawasan luas di bawah graf. Jadi kalau kita lorekkan, dia adalah dua trapezium. There are two trapezium. So I have labeled it for A and B. Saya letakkan A dan B. So jumlah luas kedua-dua trapezium equal to 1005. Kita bentukkan satu persamaan dulu. Okay. From here we look for our T. Okay. So how to solve it? So this is for area of trapezium A. Okay. So let me show to you. So area of trapezium A, this is 1/2, this is 5. So this one is 10. This one is 3. That's why 1/2 A plus B multiplied to C. This is your A. This is your B. This is your C. Okay, panjang-panjang there. Okay, this is for trapezium A. So for trapezium B, okay, for trapezium B, 1/2. The 1/2 multiplied with 10 plus 16. Where is the 10 come from? 10 is over here. Okay, this is 16. And this one is T minus 3. Okay, so ini datang dia, nilai-nilai dia. 10, 16, T minus 3. So the formula for the trapezium, area of trapezium is, if you forget, I write down for you, is 1/2 multiplied to A plus B multiplied to C. This is area of trapezium, the formula. So A and B is the two parallel line, dua garis yang selari. For example, for trapezium B, garis ini selari dengan garis ini. That's why ini AB. A is 10, B is 16. So A plus B. Okay. So after we have this, the rest of it is basic mathematics concept. Kita selesaikan. Okay. So over this one, we simplify become 32.5. From here to here, kita tekan calculator. Okay. So from here, we have to simplify it to become this one. How to come up at 13? So 16 plus 10 is 26. 26 multiplied to 1 over 2 is 13. Okay. So maybe you forget about it. Let me show to you. Okay, saya contoh di sini. 1/2 darab dengan 10 tambah 16. So this one, we simplify this one become 1/2 darab dengan 26. This one is 13. Okay, that's why this is 13. So that's why this is 13. Yang ini kita kekal. So the next part is kita darab masuk. Okay, this is I'm teaching actually now is not related to Form 5 already, it's a basic mathematics. So this one orang cakap darab masuk. So 13 times 3 become 13t. 13 times 3 is 39. So these two number, this one is formula, we just keep it, then these two we move. So move. Okay, so after move, 22.5 become positive, become negative. Okay, 39 negative become positive. Then we continue. So simplify this one. So how to obtain the t is divided by 13. Then t is 9. So t is 9 seconds. Okay. So you must make sure that your answer obtained is 9, 10, but cannot be 11. Kalau jawapan akhir kamu 11 ke 12 ke memang salah. Kenapa? Because from the diagram here, okay, t is in between 11 and 3. Jadi jawapan saya memang logik 9, dekat dengan 11. Dia tak mungkin jawapan dia 12. Kalau 12 T mungkin di sebelah sini, so you are wrong already. Okay, so this is how to solve the questions regarding to area. The area is equal to distance. Jarak sama dengan luas. Ingat sentiasa jarak equal to area. Okay, now we look at another questions. So this is another question also related to speed, graph of speed over time. Laju, masa. But this graph, we are involving two line, dua garis. Garis A dengan garis B. Line A and line B are represent for the different object. Here is a particle A and particle B. So particle A, the line is, this one is particle A. So particle B is a straight line actually only B. So we don't care how many line. So we have to focus on the question. Dia tanya mana satu. Dia akan tanya salah satu. Okay. So now we look at A first. So A, they look for particle A only. They are not looking for B. So garis B tidak ada kaitan. Okay, now we have a look. So jadi saya keluarkan graf dia, saya buang garis B. Kenapa? Because question A are actually totally not related to the line B. Garis B tidak ada berkaitan. Because they want a constant speed, garis laju seragam untuk particle A. So this is a line for particle A. So as I told you before, laju seragam is the area for the flatted, or we call the line which is parallel to the x-axis. This one. So meaning is from here to here. Okay, so they want what? Speed or time? So you see, they want the period. Maksudnya dia mau masa. So when they look for the period, they look for the time. Okay, this is the axis for time. So it's from here move to here. So it's 70 to 30. So masa, period type, that particle S move with constant speed is 70 minus 30, which is 40 seconds. This is very simple answer. Normally this kind of question will be 1 marks only, 1 mark. Okay, So this is for A. Okay, now continue for B. So what is the needs of the question B? B, they are calculate the rate change of speed, kadar perubahan laju of a particle A in the first 30 seconds. First 30 seconds. Okay, look at the graph. Again, I remove graph B, garis B saya buang, because the question is asking for particle A. Okay, so B is not related. So now they want to rate change. Rumus rate change is this one. Final speed minus initial speed divided by time. So now they want the first 30 seconds. First 30 seconds is from here move to here only. So ini tak ada kaitan. Okay. So this one not related. So now it's actually a graph from here to here only. So belakang tidak ada kaitan. So meaning we're focusing on this area. Okay. So now the line is from 0 to, the speed is changed from 0 to 6, and time is from 0 to 30. So that's why it's 6 minus 0. Final minus, this is final, this is initial. Akhir laju akhir, laju awal, bagi masa akhir, masa awal. So just use a calculator. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, patam dulu. Okay, now for the C. Okay, for C, a bit complicated. So now C is now related for both line. Dua-dua garis digunakan. So calculate the difference between the distance travel. Between the distance travel. Beza di antara jarak yang dilalui oleh dua partikel over the 90 period. Dalam masa 90 saat. So again, look at the question here. Because now is the distance. So distance, when we talk about distance, so what do we know? So when we talk about distance, we must know the distance. We must know the area under graph. So distance actually always look for area under graph. Okay. So kita akan tengok luas garis. So over the 90 period meaning from 0 to 90 keseluruhan, meaning for the whole graph, semua kawasan terlibat. So now distance traveled by particle A, they want the difference, so we have to calculate the distance by A and also distance of a particle B. Masing-masing kirakan dulu. So for the distance of particle A, so I have a sketch in a yellow area, warna kuning. Okay. So you can see this is the area under the graph of particle A for the movement of 90 from 0 to 90. Okay. So this is a trapezium. For the area of trapezium, okay. So the formula just now I told you already, 1 over 2 A plus B multiplied to C. So where is your A, where is your B, where is your C? So this is your A. This is your A. This is your B. And this is your C, tinggi dia C. So C is 6. A is 70 minus 30 is 40. 70 tolak 30, 40. B is 90. So itulah A, B sini dan C. So do the calculation. This is a distance traveled by particle A. So second, we do for the particle B. So particle B is area under graph is actually a rectangle only, segi 4. Okay, segi 4. So the formula for area of rectangle is panjang dalam dengan lebar. Okay, so panjang is 90, lebar is 4. So that's why here is only 4 times 90. So the answer is 360. So now finally they actually want the difference. Difference maksudnya beza. So beza maksudnya tolak. So the different distance in travel between two particle mestilah besar tolak yang kecil, jangan yang kecil tolak besar. So here we have 390 and 360. Mana satu besar? 360 or 390? Mestilah 390 pak. So that's why we have to use besar tolak yang kecil. Kalau kecil tolak besar, jarak tak ada negatif. Distance we don't have negative value because zero meaning we are not traveling. Negative maksudnya pergi mana? Nothing to go. So finally the answer is 30. So this is how to solve the questions regarding to the speed over time. Okay, so that's all for today. So if you have any questions, please ask in WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.